Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel Smart Boy Classes, and today I am going to explain most important topic of physics, that is motion. Today I am going to explain what is motion. Motion. When an object changes its position with respect of time and its surrounding, it is known as motion. You can explain motion like uh, you can explain motion like uh, you are going from a car at 60 km per hour, and anyone watches you inside of you. So what is that? Is rest. But anyone watches you from outside the car, that is motion. It is based on observer who is observing you. It is depend on that. Motion and rest are dependent on who is observing you. Let's see definition of motion and rest. Motion: when an object changes its position with respect of time and surrounding is known as motion. That is definition of motion, and it is also based on observer. And what is rest? When an object does not change its position in with respect of time. As I have tell that anyone watches you sitting beside you in the car, anyone watches you. So that you are saying that who is the observer? The, the, the man beside you is observing you. According to that person, you are in rest position, but according to the person who is outside the car and watches you, and you are traveling on 60 km per hour speed, so that is motion. And now move on the next topic: displacement and distance and displacement. So the actual path covered by an object from initial to final point. The actual path, the real path, you can say this is a point A. So from here going, and at this is the initial point and this is the final point. So the actual path, this is the actual path covered by an object. So this is known as distance. And the shortest path, that is the shortest path. You can see right there, this is the shortest path. The shortest path covered by an object from its initial point to final point is known as displacement. This is a form of displacement, and let's see one example I have here. Find distance and displacement. This is a point. This is our initial point A, and this is a final point B. So one man or one car, you can say, is traveling from here 5 centimeter. So what is this? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 20. But this is the distance. And what is displacement? The shortest path from here to here, 10 centimeter, 10 meters, sorry. Here 5. That is your displacement, the shortest path from A to B point, initial or final point. This is known as displacement. Now we are going to move on the what is on the quantities like the vector quantity and a scalar quantity. So distance is a scalar quantity, have only magnitude. So what is magnitude? Magnitude is a kind of value of distance. It is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity have only magnitude, but vector quantity have magnitude and direction both. You can see there is only magnitude. We are traveling from here, but we can see like that. We can see the direction from the initial point to final point. We are going to see the direction. You have to see the shortest path. So we have seen the direction. So this is displacement. The distance is a scalar quantity, only magnitude, and distance is a vector quantity, have magnitude and direction both. So in this video I have only discussed about distance and displacement, and in next video I am going to explain acceleration and and the topics and the parts of distance and displacement. So thank you for watching my videos at the Smart Work Classes channel. Thank you.